So over here on the left hand side, you can see that I got some folders right here. Like, for example, I got the 2023 folder, I got the batch folder right here, and each of the folders right here has different images. But let's say, for example, what I have done is, let's say, for example, I got the 2023 folder, and in it I got some images, as you can see right here. But let me say I actually went ahead and renamed this. So if I were to go ahead and rename it to 2025, let's say, for example, just like this right here. And then if I were to click right here, now what happens is that it is still 2023 right here in the images section, as you can see right here. So if I were to actually go ahead and do this, then you can see that I got this images right here, just like this. So now it actually pops up a question mark, as you can see right here, because now that particular folder is no longer there. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. So now there's a question mark that pops up because it didn't find the folder. I changed the name of it. I may have moved it to a different section as well. So now what you can actually do is you can go around and right click and choose find missing folder right here, just like this. And once you do that, what happens is that the find missing folder option will pop up, and you can go ahead and select that particular folder as needed. So over here, I'm going to go around onto my TuTube drive right here for this. So now over here, you need to go ahead and select out that particular folder. So let me just go around over here onto, let's say, for example, images right here. So now over here, you can see that this is the 2025 folder. Let me just go ahead and select it out right here. And then in a while, it will be updated. So you can see that 2025 has been updated right here, and the question mark is gone. And this is how you can go ahead and find missing folders that you may have because you may have moved it somewhere else or because you renamed it inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.